I did it. I'm at the top. Oh my gosh. Whew. Gotta be really careful from roots. Check out this vista, guys. Oh my goodness. The house is almost built down there. If you look at my videos from last year, they were just starting on that before my husband died. Gorgeous. They got a venue happening. This little place is just amazing. River's still high. This is a kind of a branch. Somebody was asking about what they call tributaries and stuff. We kind of use a slang term of branch. I'm going to sit and visit with Joanne and Dawn. You guys have a wonderful day. Here's a little view. Downtown Calgary is over there. And the mountains are over there. It looks like they're nice and clear. So, no snowpack. That's good to know. Love you guys.